Hi, I'm Linda Lockwood, and this is for our deliverable for individual robots part 3. My group is the fraction 5, and our company name is Circuit Sprots. For the Aqua Bot, it needs to deliver water to provide the pet drinking water and also adjust the humidity to the environment. There'll be 2 separate pumps that are in the system, and then therefore I have 2 different circuits, one for each of them. The humidifier reading is coming from the HubBot. This is where the pumps are. You can see where the humidifier line reader would be, and this is the water sensor that it sits in a pond, so it'll be reading the water. The water sensor for the fountain is if the water level goes below 14 inches, then we need to turn on a motor to pump in the water, and then when it reaches 20 inches, the motor should turn off. We're using an ultrasonic sensor to be our water level sensor to read the water, and then we're using a DC motor, which will act as the pump to pump the water in. The code is here. It's going to be reading it. Here's our inputs. This is the measuring of the distance, and this is the turning on the motors. And our serial monitor will let you know what is happening. So start simulation. Right now you see it's sitting at a good level, and once it starts to go down, it reaches below 14, the mist will turn on. So, and the motor starts running. Water's coming in, it goes above 20, the motor turns off, the mist is off. The humidifier reader, so the sensor for the fountain, when it reads the humidity be below 50%, the pump will start to run, spraying water into the tank. And when it goes past 50%, it will stop. Once the humidifier drops below 40%, the pump will start up again. So we have our pump, our humidity sensor output. We're going to be reading from our A1 analog. This is the code. Here's the serial monitor reading the humidifier. We're using a potentiometer to be our humidity reader, and we're using a gearbox to be our water spray pump. Right now our humidity is at 10%, so our motor is running, spraying out the water. It's increasing the humidity. And when it gets to about, right now it's almost at 46, and it reached 50, so you can see the water still going. But once it becomes greater than 50, the motor turns itself off. And this will go up to 70. So now it's going to work its way back down, and we were reading at 38%. It turns, the motor starts to go again. Thank you.